Why are you making this? Making us do this? Guilty है मेरी साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल जा 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 भाग भाग ठीक है भाग भाग I can hum okay भाग 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 wow great this is how you treat your host ये सिखाया शुरू करोगे I was like sing
From the national capital, you're watching Doodh with Dimpu.
No, I can't do all this. This is not a serial, okay? This is an interview.
Okay, guys. Usually you're used to seeing politicians, right? So this time we thought, why don't I change your taste? So this time we got musicians, and who else? Matlab the Cupid themselves. Twin Strings is over here.
Hey, hello.
Yeah, has contributed actively to the increased population of India by exactly 2%. We spoke about the highways and the cars.
Basically,
Yeah. So welcome to Doodh with Dimpu Youth. Nothing political today, and you guys are gonna get like a clean episode. No, you can share it on your family WhatsApp group. Your uncle won't tell you anything. So, what do you guys think about CA and NRC?
देखो जो हो रहा है ना गलत हो रहा है
गलत हो रहा है
प्याज के दाम नहीं बढ़ने चाहिए
प्याज के दाम नहीं बढ़ने चाहिए या
हो गया
there are people in the streets
हो गया है
आपको क्या लगता है सीए एनआरसी के बारे में प्याज महंगा हो रहा है नहीं होना चाहिए
सब जो हो रहा है गलत हो रहा है बस मैं इतना बोलना चाहूंगा थैंक यू
चाय बाग से इनविटेशन आया था वैसे
नहीं हमें तो अभी तक आया नहीं है वेट कर रहे हैं
ये क्या प्रतीक कुमार को राजस्थान से इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं वो लोग हमारे अपने लौंडे हैं Pratik Kohal, Shobha Mangal, there was pretty cool thing. Yeah. But coming to the real thing. So, मतलब महीने के कितने हो जाने हैं?
Can we have milk?
Yeah, sure. This Doodh with Dimpu, guys. For the first time, somebody is actually. Cheers, guys. Cheers. This was just a diversion tactic. Yeah.
Because that was an offensive question.
No, मतलब ऐसे YouTube तो समझ लिया आपको शादी वादी तो करना पड़ेगा ना एक पॉइंट पे सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा आ जाते हैं मतलब
चल रही है गाड़ी में
मतलब चल रही है हाँ सब
मतलब आ जाते इतने आ जाते हैं दूध खरीद ले
दूध पी लेते हैं
So like tell me something like ये सब YouTube में you guys do romantic songs. Oh my god. Can you shoot like an ad for Doodh with Dimpu? Can you endorse like okay have mine also? Actually like Doodh with Dimpu. I just randomly like pitch the name and people. Great, you're my favorite with the soul patch of course. What's the secret behind the soul patch? Why do you have a soul patch? You've always had it.
It's just mishandling of beard, that's all.
एक दिन ये रह गया.
Right, that's all.
Okay, how many of you are single right now?
Everybody. All are single.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
When on camera we are single.
Oh, okay. I see this perplexed face on Manu. Like
He was deciding should I say yes, should I say no? If I say no, what will be the
तुम लोग
consequences?
क्या बोल रहे हो? मैं नहीं बोलूँगा फिर. मतलब कोई भी सिंगल नहीं है.
ये सिंगल नहीं है ये इसको छोड़ के सारे साथ
अच्छा
मैं बोलूँ. हाँ, come on. ये सब.
he's getting us into that trap.
ये पेज ही चलाना है हमें भी.
सर अभी करियर स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ हमारा प्लीज ऐसे मत कर
Thirst DMs should keep coming, okay?
Yeah.
With the choicest of the emojis, okay? Use the tongue, use the peach, whatever you want. No, but what? I'm talking about an audience and a
कुछ याद आ गया
क्या याद आ गया?
memories anyway
Okay. Now tell me what's the most scandalous thirst text any of you have got?
Yeah,
Just the funniest or the scandalous?
I've not got any of them.
Lies.
Seriously.
Which person with the soul patch doesn't get thirst DMs?
Seriously, I haven't got any of them. Stop taking pot shots at myself.
I love it. That's why. I mean, so do they. They love the soul patch. Okay.
Not like on text, but we can share some good.
You can share some your twinning wala confusion jo.
Oh yeah, guys,
Hello?
you guys
Oh yeah.
look very similar.
Oh wow, you just realized.
Back up.
Back up.
It was nice. Twin strings.
Oh, twin strings! Shit! Conspiracy theory! You guys are twin strings and you guys were in the first video. That's why. You play the guitar as well?
No, he.
I
Oh,
play
so
the
no
guitar.
strings. So twin strings.
That's why twin strings.
Guys, we cracked
The
it.
parent was that. I don't know. Like.
Wow.
Did you just notice that?
Every time a lot of girls are like coming to us, she like, I spoke to you, right? I was like, no, but you can.
Oh, that was smooth. What about you? Have you done the same?
No, he don't get the opportunity.
तब तक
खट्टा हो चुका होता है already.
सागर ले जाता है.
कोई नहीं
दूध पिया तो
मैं
दूध पिया.
एक बार ये होता है you got a photo clicked with someone and इसने post कर दिया अपने account से.
Because I'm Thailand.
I got a good picture with someone.
हाँ.
And
With
before,
someone?
yeah, and इससे पहले मैं post करता, he posted it.
Because it
And I
was
was
good.
like, dude,
It was dark and simple. Photo मोहित ने click करी. We were at the balcony in Thailand for a show, and background में it was a very nice picture. So I was running with somebody. And it was a very nice like a early morning sort of picture. And I really liked it. Before he woke up, I put it on
Instagram.
Instagram. He was like, मेरी picture क्यों post करी? मैंने कहा पीछे से क्या दिख रहा है?
Good.
So nobody would. Damn. Alright, tell me something. Your videos, you do this like farmhouse shoots and everything and all. मतलब कितने rich हो यार तुम लोग मतलब what's the scene?
See, we are very rich, I'll tell you honestly, because we have budgets for all the videos like zero.
You should see us before the video, like we carrying the lights.
Yeah, we have seen the videos.
Actually, we look like more like laborers.
Like Spot Dada, we are
Like,
Spot
we are-
Dada and we are
we are Spot
shooting.
Dada.
उनका spot डाला.
Just
मेरा
Spot
shoot हो
Dada.
रहा तो he's doing my hair and ऐसे.
खुद ही makeup
What
कर
is
रहे
the doing the hair thing? I see that you've done the side and.
This is very normal card. ये side partitioning है, ये बचपन से ही ऐसा है क्या?
So he is
ना एक side पे ऊपर है एक
he
side
सबसे अलग है. He goes to barber.
भैया
भैया यहाँ से
यहाँ से ऊपर,
नीचे, यहाँ से ऊपर. He's like भैया अपने हिसाब से कर देना. I was like dude अपने हिसाब से क्या होता है?
I can't decide.
So I'll tell you a very good story that we were performing in New Year's. And there was somebody came after the show. Everybody was like, "What a show, guys! So much fun!" And one guy came to us. He was
New
like,
Year's at Fairmont, so everyone is lost.
Fairmont, Jaipur.
Of
Everybody
course.
was lost. One person came to us. He was like, "Drunk, can you act? Or should I?"
Yeah, please, please.
I like he was like came to us like, "Can I click?" He was not able to say. He was like, he came. He was like, and then he left.
Then he just left and
he was like here and took round and
came back to.
Came back to Sagar again.
Again,
Five
again.
feet, 5 feet. He walked away and came back.
I just got a picture with your brother. What? I just took a picture with the brother again.
With the same guy.
झगड़ा करते हो तुम ना?
Oh no.
तो
झगड़ा.
Fights?
Interview में
ना नहीं झगड़ा तो हमारे बीटल्स लोग भी करते थे.
Not at all.
वो सब चलता है.
सिर्फ बजाते हैं.
मतलब भाई को थोड़ा
होगी चलिए.
कम चलता है बाकी तो चलता है ना.
मैं बोलूँ चाहता
It's creative clashes, honestly. तो ऐसे भी fight भी
Creative
Yeah,
like
it's
shoes दिख गए
creative.
कभी.
Yeah, like, of course.
Belt में दिख गए सामने.
Just if they don't listen.
कुछ
दिख गई
Shoes दिख गए जो भी सामने पड़ा होता है.
कुछ मतलब ऐसे
सबसे ज़्यादा लड़ता कौन है?
एक बार I'll tell you for something. I was in the studio, so if some object flew by. It was a mouse.
Yeah, the Apple mouse.
Magic mouse, 12,000 guys.
Yeah.
I'm not as rich as you guys.
Even I'm not good.
क्या हो रहा है? Just throwing stuff, just throwing Apple products at each other.
Yeah.
किसने थोड़ा फेंका?
किसने पहले बता?
सागर
मैंने फेंका नहीं था, मैं टेस्ट कर दी उड़ सकता है. हाँ, माउस उड़ेगा.
So that's the level of झगड़ा. That answers your question.
Aya, tell me something. तो you go to barber and say that जो भी
जैसा
करना है
आपको
कर लो,
ठीक लगे.
मेरे को पसंद है. रिश्ते आने लगे?
नहीं, thankfully नहीं. Sorry.
कमा रहे हो क्या करो शादी वादी कर लो. Come on, get married.
आप कब कर रहे हो?
नहीं, I'm too young for this.
Oh.
So that's why I can.
आप चाहते हो हमारी YouTube बंद हो जाए.
Are you guys
Yeah.
saying Valentine's Day के पहले शादी is the death of career? Is that what you're saying?
No. Nation wants to know.
Defame कर दिया. The marriage of institution को काफी defame कर दिया लोगों ने. So इतना होना नहीं चाहिए.
Oh, so you think marriage is a cool thing?
Yeah, it's cool. But not right now.
Have you? I'll tell you something. Another thing, you guys were talking about these New Year parties or whatever. People too will be sloshed. How much do you guys get to drink? Anything, or you're like, no, can't touch. Otherwise, I'll play the wrong chords.
So yesterday only.
Actually, we don't drink.
Honestly, seriously.
No.
सिर्फ दूध पीते हैं.
सिर्फ दूध
इसलिए तो हमने
we don't drink. We don't drink. It is just milk.
Yeah, before the show.
We
Before the
don't
show,
drink
we don't.
before the show, after the show.
We don't drink.
Yeah, we actually yeah.
तुमने पढ़ा होगा ना How to Talk to Media. 100 रुपए की आती है बुक. में मिलती है.
पापा मम्मी भी देख रहे हैं शायद लाइव.
नमस्ते. दूध पिला रहा हूँ आंटी को. आपके लिए.
Okay. तो माँ का दूध पिया तो सामने that's gonna change now.
हो गया दूध का दूध पानी का पानी. Paani. Okay, sorry. I was going beyond me. But my question is, don't you want get tired of love songs? अभी कुछ करते हैं ना.
बहुत चीजें आ रही है. It's not just love songs.
But I'm 100% sure that you're gonna love the original songs that are going to come.
Yeah.
It's actually हमें प्यार हो गया उनसे. मतलब हम इतनी बार सुन चुके हैं, मिक्स करते समय इतनी बार सुना, बनाते समय इतनी बार सुना, लेकिन
यार एक ओरिजिनल वाला सुना दो ना. The ones who have watched the live, they have done their best hits. एक ओरिजिनल सुनना है मुझे.
The one that is released or the one that is about.
Sneak peek.
ओरिजिनल करते थे.
So this song is about a feeling that I'm sure every one of us has gone through. आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड है?
नहीं जी.
अभी नहीं है.
अभी कैमरे पे तो नहीं बोल सकता. आप सही से.
So actually, this was a song that was driven by this feeling कि when you start having butterflies for someone.
In your stomach.
Yeah, in your stomach.
Otherwise, why like keep butterflies for someone like.
नहीं वो रट चुके हैं ना तो मैं बोल.
Okay, that's okay.
With the expression.
Yeah, so it's that feeling when you just feel like seeing that someone all the time और आपको मन करता है कि यार ये जो इंसान है इसकी झलक मुझे हमेशा ऐसी मिलती है. And it's that feeling when you just feel
And
like
that
talking
one
to
is important.
when you just feel like talking to that someone all the time and you're like कि ये बातें जो हैं ये यूं ही चलती रहेंगी.
I'm just thinking कितनी लड़कियों की जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई है इसमें.
Last line भी है.
अच्छा.
And then the final इससे song introduce होता है. The song is about that feeling. No matter how busy you are, no matter how tired you are, you always want to be with that special someone, right? You always want to be with them और आपको मन करता है कि ये जो शाम उनके साथ है ये यूं ही ढलती रहे. So the song is called ढलती रहे.
Oh wow! Come on.
So we're gonna do a couple of lines. मन में कहते रहे वो जो कहना है तुमसे कभी ये पल मिला तो कह दूं तुम्हें सब अभी कि देख जो तुम्हें तो देखते रहे मन भरता नहीं चेहरे से तेरे नजरें हटाने का दिल करता नहीं जो साथ हो तेरा तो दर्द फिर मेरा टिकता नहीं है गुर्बत कोई कि दूर जाने का दिल करता नहीं ये कैसी आंखें तेरी ठहर जाए हम पे ये कैसी बातें तेरी बहक जाए हम से तुमसे बातें करते रहे हम और ये शाम ढलती रहे
Wow.
something like that. Thank you.
Okay, so like I just want to tell you guys something. Like by the time all the female A7 members that we had, I mean, they can't work anymore. Okay, so for the rest of the day, it's their off. So I'm sure some see me also. So it was amazing. So all of you guys, just check this out on Spotify.
All straight.
Yeah.
Name of the song
Over
is-
there, it's a straight line. Yeah. Sham ढलती रहे and
It's in the intro. You can connect.
yeah, मतलब oh अच्छा.
Yeah.
You wrote the intro?
Yeah.
For live, we prepare everything.
I used to try and improvise on stage. I'm not as good as you, so I used to fuck up a lot.
See guys.
So then I wrote it. I was like, "Yehi bolna hai," and then finally now I'm able to introduce the song properly. Oddly enough, the song does not have an inspiration. It was just written like that.
And composed.
We all composed it.
So do you guys meet every day?
Yeah.
Oh, every day.
Like every day?
Yeah, every day.
पक नहीं जाते हो?
हम सेम थोड़ी ना हैं।
लड़ाई करवा दे। There are those odd days कभी-कभी।
पक तो नहीं जाते कहते नहीं सेम थोड़ी ना
That joke needs to be edited out, guys. I mean, yeah. Never mind. I thought I was the worst one. Do you guys have that like work stress? यार आज उठ के जाके फिर ये करना है. Or you guys really enjoy it?
We enjoy it
Because I don't know what that feels like. You know, to enjoy the work.
on camera.
How does it feel like?
कट लगा दिए
नहीं यार मुझे तो वर्क स्ट्रेस का तो टाइम ही नहीं है बल्कि टायरिंग हो जाता है इतना ट्रैवल
It's just at times we travel a lot and we have to, you know, like we have to do the song, we have to make the videos. So time constant होता है, we have to meet the deadlines.
अभी जैसे वी आर नॉट लाइक इतना टाइम हो गया YouTube पे कंटेंट नहीं डाल पा रहे क्योंकि हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो वो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है कि डूड थोड़ा ब्रेक चाहिए क्योंकि कंटेंट डालना है
I think जब टाइम की कमी होती है, so I'm sure this works for a lot of people. तो वो आपका बेस्ट भी निकलता है उसमें.
Yeah.
So like we had a show in Thailand and we remember उससे पहले एक महीना we were literally like working for 12 to 14 hours
Every day.
Every day.
14 hours maybe
Don't give my boss ideas. A human being can't work for 12-14 hours. Fans letter, we hate letter. कब आ रहा है next गाना? हम कैसे बैठे हैं?
आता है सच्ची में आता है
बहुत ज़्यादा।
hate letter वैसा तो नहीं बोलूँगा.
Not a hate letter मतलब गाना कब आ रहा है?
हाँ जब DMs में आता है डूड क्या
क्यों
हो
यार
गया?
was taking yourself too seriously? गाना नहीं लिख रहे हो अपने लिए.
बड़े हो गए हो
Yeah, ये actually लोग बोलते हैं and I appreciate when people say that कि यार कब तक इतने covers कर लिए अब original भी निकालो. So people are actually expecting the originals.
बट कहने हैं कवर्स के लिए ओरिजिनल्स के लिए हम कुछ बड़ा प्लान कर रहे हैं
Yeah, so that takes
टाइम लग रहा है वरना तो इट्स लाइक अ थिंग एक दिन में निकाल सकते हैं
But guys also keep doing covers because of you so many. As I was saying,
Yeah,
We'll
people
leave
say
that, yeah, we'll leave it.
मतलब of course do originals.
बट भी कवर से एक वो कनेक्ट बना है लोगों का
हाँ dude, like I mean, तुम लोगों से inspiration लेके बहुत लोग have picked up the guitar and gotten late. So you guys have worked in a myriad of ways, you know, for people. So keep doing the good work, and I think it was amazing.
Yeah.
Kuch last song, one last song, and then we're done. Okay? I think they really pissed at me, so
Last song. Okay, which
Last
one should we do?
it's completely up to you.
That was a nice vibrato. Are you trained?
No.
I
Actually,
But I'm
theatre.
from
I'm from Kolkata. Of course, I have all the talents. I mean,
Yeah, culturally rich people. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मालूम मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मालूम मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है जीने की वजह यही मरना इसी के लिए
in the house. And Twins for Dude with Divyu. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a blast. Dude with
No, I can't do
Divyu.
all this.